Hey folks, so today we're going to be using the McDonald's nutrition calculator to analyze macromolecules in the nation's most popular fast food restaurant. So in order to do this, we're going to be building a meal out of McDonald's favorites, and this nutrition calculator is going to teach us about the calories, the total fats, the carbohydrates, and the proteins in each of these items individually and collectively as one whole meal. So the first thing we're going to need to do is start adding food to the calculator. So you're going to click on a category and then select your item from that category. That adds it to your little menu here. And then you can see it's changed the nutritional information. So at this point, you can go ahead and record the nutritional information, the calories, the fats, the carbohydrates, and the proteins for the first item that you added. Just make sure that you add it to the correct row in your data table. So since mine is my entree, I would add that to the entree or main, the main part of the meal in my data table. Now I'm going to click Add More Items, and I got me a breakfast sandwich. I want some coffee. Let's make it a mocha. You can also change the size. Make sure you do that to reflect what you would actually order. Now, because I've already looked at the nutritional information for my Egg McMuffin, I do not want to include it in my analysis, so I'm going to check this box so that the only nutritional information that's showing is for my McCafe Mocha Latte. So now I can go up here and I can look through and record the nutritional information for my McCafe Mocha Latte in the beverage section of my data table. Then, still got to add a side. So I'm going to click Add More. Let's go to Snacks and Sides and hope they have hash browns. We'll settle for French fries. Now, once again, because we already looked at the Egg McMuffin and the Mocha Latte, we want to make sure we uncheck both of those, so that we're only seeing the nutritional information for my small world famous French fries. Now I can go record my data for my small world famous French fries in my data table. The last thing that we're going to need to do is look at the nutritional information for all three of these foods together. So once you've filled out the individual information in the data table, then you're going to check the include box so that all three items are being shown in the nutritional information. So in the last row of your data table, you're going to record the grand totals. It does all the math for you, so you just need to make sure that you've included all three items in the nutritional information, and then you're going to record the totals in the last row of your data table. That's how we're using this website today. Have fun.